Okay, so welcome to my video of what I eat in a day. It's almost 9, but what time is it?
8:36.
We're gonna go to the gym and my first meal is a little spoonful of Biscoff. I know Julian doesn't like it.
That's like peanut butter, but like 10 times more delicious.
Yes,
What do you mean I don't like it? I love it.
I know you love it, but you always tell me to eat something different. But I really love it and I'm not gonna sacrifice it. So 20 grams of
That's
the
a lie.
Biscoff.
I eat it every day. It tastes so good.
Julian!
It's addictive. That's the problem. Don't buy it if you're trying to lose weight, because you will not.
Yeah, exactly. It's not good. Like, we are not on shredding phases. We are on massing phases.
How many calories are you eating?
Right now, I'm eating 2,055 calories.
I'm eating 4,200 calories.
And from those calories, I have 160 grams of protein.
People are gonna go crazy when, oh my god, you're eating 160 grams of protein.
I know, it's possible. It's easier than you think.
I eat 260.
And then I do my coffee in a cacao, and I put protein powder in it. And that's my first meal of the day. This is how I like to train. And when I come back, I have a big proper meal.
I hate training like that. I actually have a big meal before training. I cannot go with an empty stomach.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's not one size fits all. Like, seriously, you gotta find the thing that you are able to adhere, that makes sense to you,
yes,
and that you enjoy. Now that we're bulking, or at least me, I'm on a lean phase of massing, I do use regular sugar. Normally we would just use Splenda, stuff like that. So for now we do want the calories, we do want the carbs. So this is an easy way to just add carbs into your diet.
She's adding 4 grams of carbs to it now.
I can add more, okay?
She always comes up short in carbs, and I'm like, add sugar, and she adds 4 grams of carbs.
Here comes 8.
8 grams of carbs, guys. Be careful. Just take it to it.
Hey, if you're in a diet, you do want to be careful.
But you're not on a diet.
You're
massing.
I am struggling a little bit to eat these many calories, but it's only because I've been prepping for shows for the last almost 3 years. So this is the first time that I'm like on a maintenance race for this long, and I'm bulking. So yeah, it's been a struggle, but I'm slowly getting there. I'm slowly getting more comfortable with gaining weight and with eating more.
I feel like it's more psychological than like an actual struggle. Like, you don't want to gain weight, right?
Yeah. So for my first real meal after the gym, I have tofu with seitan and some veggies. This is actually 2 portions, so I'll just have half of this, and I'll have 2 vegan quesadillas, which I'm obsessed with. This cheese right here is so good. So I'll have, with the first portion, 2 vegan quesadillas, and then on the second one I'll change the carbs and I'll do some rice instead, some beans, and just like a very Mexican plate. And I'll just have a little bit extra of veggies here. So this is basically my meal post-workout. It's so good. It's very high on all macronutrients, protein, fats, and carbs. So let's get to it. All right, so for a little like snack, I have these protein bars. They're really good. And then I have a little bit of mango. I already put some rice to cook for my next meal, as I explained, the same tofu with the seitan. But yeah, this is only 200 grams of mango, and this is gonna add me to 260 grams of carbs by the end of the day. So yeah, fruit is the easiest way to get to your carbs. Alright, so this is my second tofu meal. We already know the seitan tofu veggies, and instead of the vegan quesadillas, I put rice. in it. This is a lot more than I'm used to eating. This is 100 grams of rice, but I am really embracing the bulk. And right now, while I'm cooking, I'm here with my twin sister Gio. Say hello. She's all the way in London, and we're keeping each other accountable. So cool, like we've been meal prepping and showing to each other what we're doing, making sure that we are doing our steps and following our calories. So thank you, Gio. Corazoncitos! I don't know if we can do it. Yes! Te amo, hermanita. Alright, so for the last meal, we're gonna do our favorite, which is pancakes or waffles. I'm gonna have waffles and I'm gonna make you both hot cakes. So we're gonna be starting with any purpose flour. We like this brand. This has chocolate chips. For the protein, we have Viva Birdman, and we're gonna put a little bit of milk. We use macadamia and nuts. Any vegan milk is good. You mix it and then we're gonna make magic. Vámonos. Sugar free. Tu comida. Rey. Ahora sí estás documentando todo. Amor. Ready? I'm sorry.
Thank you, baby. Oh my God.
Solamente ir esta.
I'm spoiled.
Okay, so this is my last meal of the day. Just like Julian, I love this meal. I put a little bit of chocolate and the Biscoff. It's really nice. It's a lot of calories, but as he said, it's not crazy volume, so we are able to eat it. I go to sleep super satiated, and actually when I wake up, I'm not really that hungry from this awesome meal. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this full day of eating, and we are off to enjoy our dinner together.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Yes, he likes it. Thank you so much.